First, place the titanium chopsticks on the workbench and adjust the focus to ensure clean engraving. Next, open the software and enter your logo. Adjust size and angle. Set the power and marking parameters. Then preview the size and position to make sure everything is aligned correctly. Once the settings are ready, start the engraving process. Here's the engraving in action, followed by the final result, a clean, precise logo permanently marked on titanium.